Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to discuss what is the best video editing software that you can get for free. At one or first top is iMovie. Since I bought a new MacBook, I've used iMovie for all my videos, projects, and also school recommendations or school homework. It is a good application that can help you to make your applications better. And you can also run this on iOS and iPadOS, and you can switch projects between devices. So that's a first recommendation, but this is only for macOS only. I don't think they're going to bring a video editing software that is iMovie for Windows. Actually, there are no plans. Second is Movie Maker. Movie Maker was, a good product. It was included in Windows ME version 1.0, and then in Windows XP it's updated in 1.1, and that is the version number, and then upgraded again to version 2.1 in XP Service Pack 2. And I think the latest version is actually released in 2012. It hasn't been updated since then, since it's discontinued in the Windows Live Essentials 2012. Microsoft discontinued it, and actually I've used it as my secondary. First of all, I started this channel on photos, and then I upgraded to Movie Maker, and then I switched to Wondershare Filmora, and then I switched to others because I want some new features. But I've used Movie Maker for all across my channel, and I think it's the best one that you can get for Windows actually, since OpenShot takes 1 gigabyte on your hard disk or solid state drive. So, but Movie Maker is light, fast, and easy to use actually. I only export my videos just over a few seconds actually. Probably 1 minute, 2 minutes. If it's a big video, 5 minutes. And the last recommendation is, if you don't have any choice, it's Photos. Windows 10 has an integrated Photos application but you can edit videos on them. There's a feature called Video Editor that you can edit your videos on Photos app. And you might be thinking, what? But yes, it's true. But one thing I don't really understand is, why are they calling it Photos app when they edit videos on them and viewing photos? I think it should be called Photos and Videos actually. But that's only my sensibility, but I don't think you care about the name. I think you care about the functionality. Actually, it's pretty a limited part, since you only put the videos and then add the 3D effects, but that's also the number one features. So the pros probably wants to use iMovie or Final Cut Pro, but I don't recommend it, since in Indonesia it's 4 million rupiahs, and I think it's about maybe a few $100. But I guess I'm going to find out in the internet. Also, Final Cut Pro is great. I think you should have it if you have money actually. I think I would recommend it as a paid recommendation, not a free recommendation. Since free means there is no paying option. It's free or freeware, not freemium. So I will be getting a video maybe a few days about freemium and freeware, but for today we're just going to tell that the best free video editors are: number 1, iMovie; 2, Windows Movie Maker; 3, Photos. But the best paid apps: 1, Final Cut Pro; 2, Wondershare Filmora, which takes literally gigabytes on your hard disk; and then third is software that you recommend, because I think 2 options are my best try, but the third one I cannot possess, but I cannot search. But leave it in the comments so I can search what's the best one. So thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and see you next time on a video. Take it easy.